Bustling digital marketplace where various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are bought, sold, and traded. But there's much more to it than meets the eye. In the vast landscape of the crypto market, there's a myriad of niche opportunities waiting to be discovered. Ever heard of decentralized finance platforms, or DeFi for short? These platforms are revolutionizing the traditional banking system, offering financial services through decentralized networks instead of central financial intermediaries. Then there are non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These unique digital assets are transforming the way we perceive ownership and value in the digital world. From art to real estate, NFTs are redefining the rules of the game. Now you might be wondering, how can I get involved in this exciting world? The first step is buying cryptocurrency. It's a straightforward process that can be broken down into a few simple steps. First, choose a platform where you'll buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are many out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Do your research and pick one that suits your needs and comfort level. Next, set up an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and setting up security measures like two-factor authentication. Once your account is set up, you need to deposit funds. This can usually be done through a bank transfer, credit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. Now comes the fun part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Navigate to the market section of your platform, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, input the amount, and click buy. It's as simple as that. But remember, security is paramount. Always double-check transaction details and keep your account details safe. Now, at the heart of all these transactions and digital assets lies a powerful technology, blockchain. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, providing a secure and transparent way to record transactions. Picture a chain of blocks, each block containing a list of transactions. Once a block is filled with transactions, a new block is created and linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This technology is what powers the crypto market and unlocks a world of possibilities. So, to sum up, the crypto market is a vibrant and expanding universe with a wealth of niche opportunities. Buying cryptocurrency is a simple process that can be done in a few steps, and blockchain technology is what powers it all. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the exciting world of crypto. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.